Starr County is left without their top health authority after bad blood between city commissioners and the leading doctor in the county started. Local Train 3's Sidney Hernandez spoke to Dr. Jose Vasquez, who says he had to walk away from his position because it was already being handed to someone else.
I don't need the money. I'd rather have my dignity.
After 10 years as the leading health official in Starr County, Dr. Jose Vasquez has said enough is enough.
I work 7 days a week, 24/7 for the county issues. In the same time, I was taking care of my own medical practice as well as the hospital board duties.
The decision comes after Starr County Judge Eloy Vera proposed a pay increase for Vasquez at a city commission meeting after comparing what Vasquez was making to neighboring health authorities.
He was getting paid just a token amount of $500 a month. $500 a month is what he was getting. And he never complained. He's worked, like I said, the last 7-8 months for that. Now, I don't think it's fair that we have our neighboring counties that pay their doctors in the excess of $200,000 while ours is getting $500.
The money would not have increased taxes or even come from residents. Instead, the $10,000 proposed contract would have been paid for by the Federal CARES Act. But other council members did not agree with the increase.
I move that we deny the contract at this point in time.
Instead, saying Vasquez's position should be given to another doctor who would do it for free.
He told me that he was willing to come and do this job free of charge, and if we had this money to spend, that we could use it to provide medication for the people who don't have.
And that's when Vasquez said he knew he would not be getting an increase, but also not be getting support from other commissioners.
The commissioners' court decided that to pay for my professional activities was not necessary.
Vasquez says the part he will miss the most is working for and with the people of Starr County.
I thank each one of you from the bottom of my heart. I had enormous show of respect and gratitude from you all. You made this fight worth fighting.
In a statement, Starr County thanked Dr. Vasquez for his service and said, quote, an appointment of a new health authority should be forthcoming. Working for you in Starr County for Local 23 News, I'm Sidney Hernandez.
In the meantime, another Starr County doctor will be taking over without pay until the court meets Friday to decide whether to officially offer him the position of Starr County Health Authority.